My precious.
Whoa, that's a lot of poppets. Awesome. I'm gonna pop them all.
What is going on here?
Oh, hi, Sammy. I just saw all this and,
These are not to play with, Susan. This is my precious puppet collection.
Okay, Meanie. Are you at least aware of how you can use poppets?
Of course! I'm a real expert in it. You can pop these bubbles from one side or another, or you can set a poppet speed contest with your friends.
Wait, and that's it? Just pop the bubbles?
Oh, Susan, that's kind of art.
What would you say if I showed you the real art, or better, a craft way to use these thingies?
I'd say interesting.
Hi guys, today I'm gonna show Sammy a few awesome poppet hacks, which will totally make his life more interesting.
Hi everyone! If you are as thrilled as I am to see those, then give a thumbs up. Okay, Susie, go on. Impress me.
This won't be hard. Check this out. Isn't this your favorite type of rainbow?
Yahoo!
Hold your horses, cowboy. We're gonna make something spectacular with these candies.
Alrighty.
Let's take one candy and put it straight into the bubble like this. Here comes another one.
Guys, you don't need to follow any exact order. Just use your imagination to the fullest.
Good point, Sammy. Great. Now we're gonna need chocolate. A lot of chocolate.
Sue, don't tell me that I can't have it either.
Don't worry, Sammy. You will taste it later. And now we're gonna use some magic. Ta-da! Would you guys look at this perfect consistency? Whoa. Now we'll simply pour our melted chocolate straight into the poppet this way. All the way through it so that it covers all the M&Ms. Be careful and don't get burned. It looks so yummy, right? My mouth is watering. I can't wait to try this thing already.
Susie, I think I'm finally getting your idea. That's terrific.
We're almost done. All we've got to do is wait till the chocolate hardens again. And then we can carefully take our brand new chocolate bar out of the poppet. Like this.
Wow, Susie, it looks magical, and I bet it tastes really good too.
Oh, that we can check right now. I like it.
Okay, that's enough, Sue. I want to try it too. And you can keep showing those poppet hacks, but only if they are as amazing as this one.
They may be even better. All right, for our next craft, we need to get rid of those partitions inside the poppet fidget. Be very careful working with the scissors, guys, like this.
Is this going to be another tasty craft, Sue? Because I'm ready.
You guessed right. Okay, that's it. By the way, Sammy, could you wash this properly?
Well, since you don't have a more complicated tasks for me.
In the meantime, we'll use our little stove. Guys, this is called isomalt. You can ask your parents to buy it for you in the nearest candy store.
Did someone say candy?
Oh, Sammy. Now let's add a tiny bit of water and stir the whole thing until we get a uniform structure. This way.
Something tells me you're gonna need this.
Oh, thank you. Right on time. Guys, it's important that your isomalt is about 180 degrees Celsius. Great, and since it's really hot, you need to work extremely carefully and fast enough. We've divided our isomalt into 6 even parts, and now we're going to color it. Here comes the green. Just one little drop will be enough.
One, two, three. Hey, Susie! This puppet also has 6 colors. Look!
Oh, really, Sammy? Who knew?
Aha! That's the main idea.
Exactly, Sammy. The next step is as simple as can be. We are going to pour our colored isomalt into the poppet. Following the order of its colors, of course, this way. And we finish the red row. Great!
Remember to be careful, Susan. And you guys may ask an adult to help you at this stage.
Here we go. Oh, I'm kind of feeling like Willy Wonka.
Then that makes me an Oompa Loompa. Augustus Gloop, Augustus Gloop, Augustus Gloop.
Now we need to insert a popsicle stick this way and let our lollipop set.
I can help with that. Today we're working with Pop It, a lollipop you can all greet.
Wow, Sammy, your Oompa Loompa magic works like a charm. Check this out, guys. Our Pop It candy is finally ready.
And I'm ready to taste it. Oh, Sue, you're a great candy man! But now I'm all sticky. I need to wash myself.
And our next craft will help you with that. We'll need a Pop It and some melted soap base of any color you like this, for example. We froze it all and got a wonderful soap bar. Let's take it out. Wow, so beautiful! But why is it partially violet?
La 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 la. Oopsie! Guys, if you're as amazed by these hacks as I am, give us a thumbs up, and I'll be right back. I'm fresh and clean again. What's next, Sue?
Well, you do know how much I like watermelons, right? That's why.
Whoa, looks tasty.
You're right, Sammy. Come, help me cut it.
With great pleasure. Hi-ya!
That was impressive, thanks. Now we're gonna need a blender. It's more convenient to use a handheld one. We'll simply dip it into our watermelon.
Be careful working with household appliances, guys.
Nice watermelon juice, huh? Now let's add about this amount of gelatin powder. There we go. Did you already pick a Pop It for this craft, Sammy?
Uh-huh. Let it be a unicorn.
Oh, I like the way you think. Guys, here I'll need a pinch of magic. Voila! Now we need to fill our Pop It bubbles with this gelatin mixture. This way. I'm using a squeeze bottle, but you can also try and use a pastry tube to do this.
Guys, while Sue's busy, take a second to subscribe to our channel. There are a lot of cool videos there.
All right, the gelatin has finally cooled down, and we've got a whole bunch of amazing watermelon gummies.
Shiver me cheddar, Susie! All your hacks today are truly amazing. But maybe you'll agree to follow my instructions and make one more thing.
Sure, Sammy, bring it on.
Take small scissors.
Got it?
Then make a few holes in the center of the star.
Okay. Guys, be very careful at this stage because the scissors are usually very sharp. And whoop! Am I doing it right, Sammy?
Very good! Now, make one hole in each beam of the star.
I hope you don't mind if I use some magic. Done.
And finally, you need to insert these diodes in the openings.
Got it. And 1. And 2. And 3. What a nice little night lamp we've got. It's done, Sammy.
Not yet, Susie. Here, take the half that I was making.
Oh, now we can attach one star to another like this and get an even cooler little night lamp than I can imagine.
Doesn't it look great, guys? Why don't we recollect all Pop It hacks from today?
Guys, we had such a great time with you today.
Yeah, thanks for being with us.
What craft did you like the most? Oh, I like that one too. Give this video a thumbs up and tell your friends about our channel.
See you soon.